channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but cannot browse Google Chrome or use Google Play Store on your Samsung Galaxy M23. So as you can see, if I open Google Play Store, it just doesn't load like that. And if I go to the Google Chrome and open any website like YouTube in this example, it doesn't load as well. So in order to fix that, we'll need to go to the phone settings, scroll down a bit till you find the general management and select date and time. From here, enable automatic date and time, and if we go back to our Google Play Store, it should work properly, and the same as with Google Chrome. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.